we'll guide you through how to change the background color in Figma. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Figma on your desktop and select the file where you want to change the background color. Once inside your project, look over to the Layers panel on the left-hand side. Click on the frame or artboard that you want to modify. Now, direct your attention to the right-hand Properties panel. You'll see an option labeled Fill under the Background section. Click on the color box next to Fill. This will open the Color Picker dialog box. Here, you can choose from a wide range of colors or input a specific hex code if you have one in mind. Once you've selected your desired color, simply click anywhere outside the color picker to close it. The background color of your frame or artboard will now be updated. If you have multiple frames or artboards and want them to share the same background color, you can select them all by holding down the Shift key while clicking on each one. Then repeat the process for changing the background color. This ensures consistency across your designs. Remember, if you ever want to revert to the default background color, you can remove the fill by clicking the minus icon next to the fill section. And that's it. You've successfully changed the background color in Figma. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.